Welcome to this lesson on absolute value. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept in algebra that deals with numbers and their distances. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what those vertical bars mean around a number. So, what exactly is absolute value? Simply put, absolute value represents the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. It does not care about direction, only how far away the number is. It answers the simple question, how far is it from the origin? Let's look at a standard number line. We have 0 in the middle, which we call the origin. Positive numbers go to the right, and negative numbers go to the left. Absolute value is all about measuring the physical gap between any specific number and that central 0 point. In mathematics, we use a specific symbol to denote absolute value. It consists of two vertical bars placed around a number or variable. When you see x inside these bars, you read it as the absolute value of x. Let's take a positive number, for example, 4. If we start at 0 and move to positive 4, we have traveled 4 units. Therefore, the absolute value of 4 is simply 4. The distance is 4 steps. Now let's look at negative 4. If we start at 0 and move to the left to negative 4, we have still traveled 4 units of distance. You do not say you walked negative 4 miles, you just walked 4 miles. So, the absolute value of negative 4 is also 4. This brings us to the most important rule of this topic. Distance can never be negative. Because absolute value measures distance, the result is always positive or 0. It takes any non-zero number and makes it positive. It is important to distinguish between the number itself and its absolute value. For instance, negative 10 is definitely a smaller number than 5. However, negative 10 is much further away from 0 than 5 is. So, the absolute value of negative 10 is greater than the absolute value of 5. Here is a quick puzzle. If I tell you that the absolute value of x is equal to 3, what could x be? Well, we are looking for numbers that are 3 units away from 0. That could be positive 3, but it could also be negative 3. Both represent a distance of 3. To wrap up, remember these key points. Absolute value is just the distance from 0. We use vertical bars to show it. The result is always positive because distance cannot be negative. Whether you start at 5 or negative 5, your distance to 0 is exactly the same.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.